In this video, we're going to talk about the ability to assign either the virtual machine user or virtual machine administrator role to an Azure Active Directory domain joined host within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.8. Administrators have been able to assign the virtual machine user role for a number of releases in this scenario, but if the virtual machine administrator role is required, then it would have needed to have been assigned via the Azure console, and we've resolved that in the new release. In order to assign permissions, find the device to which you want to assign those permissions and manage assigned users. You can see in this instance we have nobody assigned, so I'm going to select my test user. And at this point we can either assign the virtual machine user role or the virtual machine administrator role. I'm going to stick with user and we'll click OK. And as you can see, this task begins in the host pool task section, currently in a pending status, and has just moved to in progress. In this instance, we're both assigning the user to the session host and adding the required role assignments. Now that these tasks have been completed, we can see that our test user has been assigned to this device. And if we want to remove them, we can go back to the Manage Assigned User page, click to remove, and we can also have the option to unassign the user from the host pool if required. But I won't do that at this point. I'll just remove the assigned permission. You can see I'll still have access to the host pool. However, I won't have any hosts associated with this pool until an additional host has been added for me or a permission has been assigned on this host. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you again.